So hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about DevOps roadmap for a complete beginner. So first of all, you have to focus on the AWS services. There are a lot of services in the AWS, so mostly DevOps engineer need EC2 instances run for running a Ubuntu server or a Linux server on the cloud, and then learn SSH, which is required for connecting that cloud server with the local machine. And after that, focus on Docker containers. Every DevOps engineer use this service for making containers. Containers are very important services at this point of time in real life, because we have lot of services like backend, frontend, MySQL, database, Nginx. So for different services, we need different containers, because maybe backend have some dependencies which is not required for the front end, and for front end there are different dependencies. So that's why we use Docker for content for making containers for the different services. And then after that, focus on Kubernetes. I have written Kubernetes with Docker, because when you learn Docker, it will be easy for you to learn Kubernetes like side by side, because Kubernetes basically runs Dockers. So Kubernetes is nothing. Kubernetes just manages how Dockers will start, how Docker containers will scale up, scale auto healing. So there are features in Kubernetes like auto scaling, auto healing, auto balancing, load balancing. So let's say you have you have uh, let's say in festival time, there are many users. If you for let's say for Amazon, in big billion days there are a lot of users on the site. So for that you have to scale your containers from one container to two to three containers. So auto scaling will be done by Kubernetes. Let's say your site crashed, then you have to immediately start a new container. So for that, auto healing feature of Kubernetes will start that container. For load balancing, let's say you have lot of traffic in your website and you want to balance the traffic. So Kubernetes runs two containers or maybe it will let's say first it had one container, then for load balancing this will make a new container and balance the traffic in these two containers. So these are the features of Kubernetes. So focus on Kubernetes, and then after learning Kubernetes, focus on Jenkins. Jenkins is a tool which is used for CI/CD pipelines. So CID or the Jenkins is a GUI tool. So it is very easy for you to learn Jenkins. In the Jenkins, while writing commands, you have to use shell scripting. So after learning Jenkins or with the Jenkins tutorial, you will know the shell commands like echo hello. So this command will run hello in your terminal. So shell scripting is very necessary for making CI/CD pipelines for using Jenkins tools. So learn shell scripting. Like for example, maybe it may be sh or bash. So bash is very popular, so learn bash. So here I have given you 5 tools. First one is AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins. Then fifth one is shell scripting. Then after that we focus on Ansible. For Ansible is a config management tool. Let's say you have 100 EC2 machines, and and for in 100 EC2 machines you have different services. And let's say you want to update the Python package from 3.7 to 3.8. So for uh, for for changing this simple update, you have to go manually in the 100. You have to go for each EC2 instances to change that update. But if you use Ansible, then it will be very easy for you to change from one command. If you are using Ansible, just by using one command you will change the 3.7 to 3.8 update in all the 100 machine just by one command. So it will be very easy for you to manage those 100 EC2 machines. So that's why Ansible is very important. So here you learn 80% of the DevOps. And for senior, if you want to go deeper into the DevOps engineer, or maybe you are preparing for the senior DevOps engineer, then learn Terraform is tougher than all the DevOps tools. So Terraform will be learned in the last. So these are the 7 tools which are very important for DevOps. So focus on learning these tools. And in this tutorial, so basically this is a fresher tutorial, that's why I'm stopping here. And if you think this video is helping you, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.